Hey signers! In this lesson, we're diving into signs for clothing and how to describe what someone is wearing. You'll learn a bunch of new vocabulary, plus how to talk about styles and fit using ASL. Let's learn how to sign clothing. Before we start, let's talk about how we sign sizes of clothing. So, as we know, we have small, medium, large, extra large, and so on. And then we even have numbers. What you need to do is do the sign size and then follow it up with what size it is. Size extra large. Size 34. You just use that to show what is coming after the size. Now let's practice signs for clothing. Clothes, clothes. You have 5-shaped hands coming on your body, representing your clothes. Clothes. Shirt, shirt. You're tugging on your shirt. Shirt. Pants or pants. One is showing the legs and the other are padding your legs. Pants, pants. Shorts, shorts. You're showing the cutoff of the shorts. Shorts. There's a variety of preferences for how to sign jeans. Some people just sign it pants, but some choose to do blue pants, and then some just fingerspell jeans or J's on the pants. So many different ways. Leggings is just fingerspelled. Leggings. Joggers is fingerspelled joggers. Coat. Coat. It's like you're pulling the coat over your shoulders. Coat. Dress. Dress. You have 5-shaped hands coming down and flaring out for the shape of the dress. Dress. Skirt. Skirt. You're making the shape of the skirt from where skirt would start, at your hips. Skirt. Tank top. Tank top. Your index finger and your thumb are making the width of the tank top of the shirt. Tank top. Hoodie. Hoodie. Your hands are pulling the hoodie over your head. Hoodie. There isn't one sign for sweatshirt, but you might see somebody fingerspell sweat and do shirt, or just kind of a pullover. Sweatshirt. Sweater. Sweater. It's like you're pulling the sweater over your head. Sweater. Blouse or blouse. You have open hands coming down your shirt or kind of like a B hand coming down. Blouse, blouse. Tie, necktie. You have this U-shaped hand representing the tie coming down. Tie, necktie. Bow tie, bow tie. Your fingers are coming out, making the shape of the bow tie on your neck. Bow tie. Suit, suit. Fingerspell, suit, or Y hands coming down your body. Suit, suit. Overalls, overalls. Think of the clasps of the overalls. Overalls. Pajamas or PJs. P and J for pajamas or PJs. Shoes, shoes. You have S-shaped hands touching together, representing the shoes. Shoes. Boots, boots. B-shaped hands for shoes. Boots. Sandal or flip-flop. Your non-dominant hand is the foot, with your dominant making the sandal or the flip-flop. Sandal or flip-flop. Slippers or house shoes. This is your foot, and you're sliding in to the shoe. Slippers or house shoes. High heels. High heels. Your pinky fingers are representing the heels walking. High heels. Socks. Socks. Think of these are your feet slipping into your socks. Socks. Hat. Hat. You're tapping the top of your head where a hat goes. Hat. Glasses or glasses with one hand. You have open hands and pulling them in together, referencing the glasses or glasses. And you might also see some people do a partial shape C for making the shape of the glasses. Glasses, glasses. Sunglasses has a variety of ways that you can sign it. First, sun, you can finger spell it, or sun, and then the sign for glasses, whether it's glasses, 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 sun, glasses. Watch, as in wristwatch. Your dominant hand is an F, making the shape of the watch, putting it on where the watch is. Watch. Underwear or underwear. One, a little bit more visual, or a little bit more discreet. Underwear, underwear. Bra, bra. Both are making the shape and putting where the bra is. Bra, bra. Swimsuit, swimsuit. You have Y-shaped hands bringing them from the top to the bottom. You also might see some people add swim before it. Swimsuit. Gloves, gloves. It's like you're putting on the gloves on your hands. Gloves. Scarf or shawl. It's you're flipping the scarf or the shawl over your shoulder. Scarf or shawl. Jewelry is signed with a variety of pieces of jewelry. Necklace, earrings, bracelet, all of those varieties. Earring, earring. You're using your thumb and your index finger to pinch where the earring is. Earring. Purse or a bag. It's like you're holding the handle. Purse or a bag. Backpack, backpack. You have A-shaped hands coming where your backpack straps would be. Backpack. Now it's time to learn how to describe clothing. Pattern for a clothing pattern. It's showing the design on the clothes. Clothing pattern. Plaid, plaid. These four fingers are representing the design of the plaid. Plaid. Stripes or stripes, depending on if the stripes are vertical or horizontal. Stripes, stripes. Polka dots, polka dots. You have F-shaped hands representing the dots, the circle. Polka dots. Scoop neck, scoop neck. Your hand is drawing the line of the neck of the shirt. Scoop neck. Turtleneck, turtleneck. You have a C-shaped hand showing the shape of the turtleneck. Turtleneck. A V-neck shirt can be signed different ways. A V, making the V-neck of the shirt. Index fingers or the whole hand drawing the outline of the shirt. A V-neck shirt. Short-sleeved, short-sleeved. You're showing the cutoff of the sleeve. Short-sleeved. Long sleeve, long sleeve. Your dominant hand is showing where the cutoff is of the sleeve. Long sleeve. 3/4 length shirt. A 3/4 length sleeve. You're showing the cutoff on your arm. 3/4 or 3/4 length sleeve. Perfect. Perfect. You have F-shaped hands touching each other, but if you want to be, oh, it's exactly right. Exactly right. Perfect. Too small. Too small. You're doing the sign small, but shaking your head like, this isn't going to work. Too small. Oversized. Too big. You're doing the sign big with a negation of, no, this isn't going to work. Too big or oversized. Color. Color. You have a 5-shaped hand up to your mouth, wiggling it back and forth. Color. Match. Combine or pair with. Your fingers are linking together like it's matching. Match, combine, or pair with. Zipper. Zipper. Your dominant hand is zipping up and down, representing the zipper. Zipper. Buttons. Buttons. You have an F-shaped hand representing the buttons going down your shirt. And if you just want one button, a button. Buttons. Tear or rip, or tear or rip. Both are showing the movement of tearing and ripping, just one with F-shaped hands and the other with your hands tearing. Tear or rip, tear or rip. Dirty. Dirty. Your fingers are wiggling under your chin. Dirty. Clean or nice. This is like you finished cleaning and now it is nice and clean. Clean or nice. Fancy. Proper, formal, or polite. You have this 5-shaped hand brushing on your chest. If you wanted to show something was really fancy, you could even add facial expression. Fancy. Fancy, proper, formal, polite. Soft. Soft. Think of squishing soft pillows. Soft. Comfortable or comfort. Your hands are brushing on top of your other hand. Comfortable, comfort. Fabric or cloth, or fabric or cloth. You have an A-shaped hand moving in front of your face, or like you're feeling something, the material of it. Fabric or cloth, fabric or cloth. Wool. Wool. You fingerspell wool. Cotton. Cotton. You fingerspell cotton. Leather. Leather. You have your dominant hand coming up on your dominant side, brushing down. Leather. Lace. Lace. You fingerspell lace. You've learned a lot of clothing signs. Now let's practice these in some phrases. My pants are too big. My pants too big. Where is my short sleeve polka dotted dress? My dress, short sleeve, polka dotted? Where? Those colors don't match. Color, don't match. These shoes are too small. Shoes, point, too small. I like those brown boots. Boots, brown, I like. I like that plaid jacket. That jacket, plaid, I like. Now that you've learned how to sign clothing and describe outfits, keep an eye out for what people are wearing. You'll start noticing how many ways you can use these signs in everyday conversations. And if you're looking for some fun ASL-inspired merch, check out the merch in our shop. Link in the description. And until next time, keep learning how to sign.